Ma'am, second part done.
Okay, tell me the answer, Dhriti.
2.1 into 10 raised to power minus 6.
It is correct. 2.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. We need to cut 6 digit to move to 2. So 2.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, so let's try the third part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
Ma'am,
2.16.
2.16 into 10 raised to power positive 7.
Correct. Okay, so please try it yourself.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer for the fourth part?
Yes, Mahika.
Ma'am, is it 15.24 into 10 raised to the power 7?
1.524 into 10 raised to the power.
7.
It is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the digit should be 1.524 into 10 raised to the power 7.
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct. Okay, so let's move to the next part. Okay, so this is example number 8. You need to express them in the standard form. So I'm just giving this question to solve it by yourself. Both of you try. Example number 8. You have to express them in standard form that we have done right now. The same thing you have to do again. 3.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So I have to move, cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Then I can write 3.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay. What do you say for second part?
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am,
10 raised to power 6.
It is correct. 4.05, and how many digits I need to cut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 raised to the power 6. Okay, so these are given in the standard form in example number 9. You need to express them in usual form. So that is a little bit different. So let me tell you how to do this question. So it is 3.52 into 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, so 10 raised to the power 5. So if there are two digits after, let's say, decimal 3.52. So two zeros will help in moving the decimal out. So it is like 352. Then how many zeros remain? Two zeros will be utilized in moving this decimal out. Then three zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3. How to do this question? How many digits are there? Like if I want to, I just do it more. 3.52. If I multiply it by 10 raised to the power 2 into 10 raised to the power 3, can I write it like this? What do you say? 10 raised to the power 5, I can write it like 10 raised to the power 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. Is it okay? Because see, base is 10 and the operation is multiplication. Then powers will get added 2 plus 3. So that is making 5. So I can write 10 raised to the power 5 as 10 raised to the power 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. So when you look at this number 3.52 into 10 raised to the power 2 means 100 into 10 raised to the power 3. So you know if you multiply 3.52 and 100, what you will get? You will get 352. And it has to be multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3, meaning you have to add 3 zeros. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me tell you how to deal with negative exponent, that is 10 raised to the power minus 4. So see, it is 10 raised to the power minus 4. So we will be moving 4 places in the left direction. So if I move 4 places, one place I have moved, that is 7. So I need to put 3 zeros and then I got the number. So how I have done, as it is 10 raised to the power minus 4, I have to move 4 places in the left direction. So one place I have moved by cutting 7. Then how many more places I need to move? So 3 places. So I have put 3 zeros. So the number is 0.000754. So let's say if we need to do 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So I have to cut 5 digits. So 3 is already there. So I will put 4 zeros. So it is 0.00003. So this is usual form. And when we put like the number in exponent with 1 digit, after that we put a decimal, then we call it standard form. So there are 2 forms which we will be practicing in this exercise, that is standard and usual form. So please complete example number 9 in your copy, then we can proceed.
Ma'am, example number 9 completed.
Okay. What about Mahika? Mahika, are you able to follow? Mahika, what do you say? Do you want to discuss any of the part? Dhriti, go ahead with the second part.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 9.42 into 10 raised to power minus 12.
It is correct. Okay, Mahika. So check, are you also getting the same answer in second part? 9.42 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. Okay, so let's move to the fourth part. Okay, Mahika. Yes, Dhriti, what do you say for the fourth part?
Ma'am, for the fourth part, 8.37 into 10 raised to power minus 9.
You are again correct. Excellent. 8.37 into 10 raised to the power minus 9. That is correct. Okay, so let's move to the next question. express in the usual form. So that is question number 2. We need to express it in usual form. So like if it is 3.02 and 10 raised to the power minus 6. So we need to move in the left direction and we need to move to 6 digits. So it is 0 point. If I move 3, this will be 1 digit. Then I require 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 302. So this is my usual form. See, 10 raised to the power 6 means 10 raised to the power minus 6 means 6 digit towards the left direction. So 3 is 1 digit, then I have put 5 zeros. So if you look at second part, then 10 raised to the power 4 means 4 digit. So it is like if I move the decimal, 5 is the 1 digit and then I have to put 3 zeros like this. So this is the answer for second part. Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try rest of the 4 parts by yourself. Okay, so what do you say for third part?
Ma'am, 0.00000003.
So 7 zeros you need to put before 3 because see there is 10 into 10 to the power minus 8. So 3 is 1 digit, then 7 digits. So 70 we need to put before 3. Very good. So let's move to the fourth part. So 10 raised to the power 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are covered. Then I have to put 5 zeros. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 4 digits are covered. Then 5 zeros. Okay, so I need to break the meeting because I have next class aligned with at 5 p.m. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow.